Hey, what's up everybody? I'm just doing the final touches for the live stream this Saturday, November 11th, the finals of the World Championship of 3D CAD speed modeling. Let me know down in the comments, who do you think is gonna win? Is it gonna be Ivan? Is it gonna be Aaron C? Is it gonna be Victor K? Or is it gonna be IMANTS? Who is going to be our next world champion? And you can also see here in this little video that we've got some giveaways that we're gonna be giving away on Saturday to people who are there live, but also giving away to people who are watching the live stream. And the way we're gonna do these giveaways is through the Too Tall Toby website to anyone who is registered on the website. So if you want to be part of the giveaways, be sure to go to tootalltoby.com, sign up for a free account, and that way you can be part of the giveaways. We're going to be giving away this custom mouse pad, the custom mug, this cool tote bag, gift cards. We're even going to be giving away seats of a Alibre 3D CAD. So very exciting stuff. If you want to be part of that, watching the live stream, just make sure that you sign up for an account at tootalltoby.com, a free account, and that way you too can be part of those giveaways. And I'm very excited to see everybody. We're going to start live streaming an hour before the event. So we're going to start live streaming closer to 10 on that same live stream link. So link is down here in the description, and I hope to see everybody there. Saturday morning, the event officially starts at 11 o'clock East Coast USA time, but we're going to start the live stream like 45 minutes to an hour before the official event begins. So very excited to see everybody there. Be sure to sign up for the free account. Let me know down in the comments who you think is going to win, and be sure to tune in this Saturday morning. See you, everybody.